Welcome to my channel. My name is Nkeki Precious, and this is where I teach how to make shoes and bags, both male and female. Please, if here is your first time, please consider subscribing. And turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will always see it. Thank you for watching. So now we're going to get right into it. For this this is size 42, but you can also use it to make 43. So this is the front side of this last is a bit narrow. I don't like the way it is, so I'm going to pad it, so to say, pad it so with my light Mako, so that it will add up to this place will be a bit wider. So I'm going to add gum to this place. Just at the tip of this place. Then we'll wait for it to dry up. So wait for it to dry. So now I'm going to, I don't want, if you do it from here, from the front here, you're going to be increasing the size of the last. So I just need this place to be a bit wider. So I'll just gum this Mako here. I'll do the same thing here. So now I still want to add a little to it, because I really don't want it to be slim. So now I'll gum this one to it. Do the same thing here. And I'll skive it with my blade, so it can be equal with this place. Do the same thing here. If you have a filing machine, you can also skive it with the filing machine. So this is where we arrived. We've padded the front part of this last. So this is a sole, sneaker sole that I want to reuse. I've used it before. So when you put it, see, there's a full, it is full at the front like this. There's not much space. So compared to this one that is just slim like this, compared to being slim like this one is fuller. This one is not slim. This one is so slim. The difference. So that's how you pad it. So this is it.